So dear students, till exercise 3.3 we have already done. Today we are doing exercise 3.4, and if you must be knowing, in 3.4 the concept of HCF and LCM is given. ठीक है? And that is mean common multiple and common factor. So let us understand what is common multiple and what is common factor actually. So first of all, I will be introducing two things today to you, HCF and LCM. ठीक है? I will be telling you the method of listing. आज जो मैं आपको method बताने वाली, that is a listing method. Now let me tell you how we will do that. First of all, let us know what is the full form of HCF. H for highest, C for common, F for factor. So the full form is highest common factor. Now move on to the LCM. The full form of LCM is lowest, or you can also get in some books least, because both the words are same. Least means सबसे कम, lowest मतलब भी सबसे कम. So here lowest or least, C for common, and M for multiple. Okay. Now always remember, whenever we solve this thing, LCM and HCF, we don't do it like highest common factor. We always do it reverse. How we do it reverse, beta? We do it like this. Like, understanding it here. First we find out factor. Suppose we are doing it HCF. So first we find out factor, then we go to common, and then we go to highest. Once again repeating, if we are finding out HCF, first we go to factor, then we do it common, and then we do it highest. In the same way, when we are finding out LCM, first we find out multiple, then we find out common, and then we find out least or lowest. ठीक है? Least और lowest का मतलब होता है बेटा सबसे कम, और highest का मतलब होता है सबसे ज्यादा. ठीक है? So there is a major difference in these two. What is the major difference? This is highest and this is factor. Here this is lowest and this is multiple. You are knowing multiples are endless. Multiples are endless. Multiples की कोई limit नहीं होती बेटा. इसीलिए इसमें highest find out नहीं कर सकते आप. इसमें हमेशा आप lowest ही find out कर सकते हो. Because अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि what is the highest number, you cannot tell. Why you cannot tell? Because you are knowing there is no limit of numbers. If you speak, ma'am, 1000 is more, then I will tell you, beta, 2000 is more. Hana? If you say 1 crore is more, I will tell you, beta, 2 crore is more. So there is no end of numbers. So remember, that is why multiple is endless. So that is why we cannot find it out highest here. So that is why it is least or lowest, we can call it. Now come to the factor. Remember, when you talk about factor, there are limited factors. There are not infinite factors. There are very limited factors of every number. Okay? Factor means the number which can divide that particular number completely without leaving any remainder is called factor. So remember, when you talk about factor, factor is very limited numbers. So when you talk about limited numbers, so that you can find out the highest in that. So that is why HCF is highest common factor, LCM is lowest common multiple. Now there are many methods of finding HCF and LCM. Today we are doing the method that is listing method. That is exercise 3.4. Okay? So let us start finding out the first thing, that is HCF. सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं HCF. So the first question from your exercise 3.4 is find out common factors. This is the question. ठीक है? I will take it one more step ahead. ठीक है? हम इसमें एक step और आगे बढ़ाएंगे इस question को. ठीक है? And then we'll do this. Okay, so I told you that we are doing now exercise 3.4. The first question is find out common factor. We will do it one more step ahead. ठीक है, हम इसमें एक स्टेप और आगे बढ़ाकर करेंगे, that is HCF. कॉमन एंड फैक्टर तो हम निकालेंगे, बट वी विल डू इट हाईएस्ट आल्सो. ठीक है, सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द एडवांस वर्जन ऑफ इट. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और एडवांस्ड हम सीखेंगे. नाउ लुक एट हियर. सपोज आई गिव यू टू नंबर्स to find out common factor. For example, the numbers are 8 and 12. I am not taking the questions from the book. I am just taking the random example. Okay, you can do the questions from book by your own also if you will understand this process. So the first thing I have already told you, we will do it reverse. Reverse matlab sabse pehle we will find out the factors. So here factors of 8. Now let us find out the factors of 8 and also we will find out the factors of 12 as well. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी नंबर हमको दिया होगा बेटा, हम सबसे पहले उसका फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करेंगे because we are doing it reverse. सबसे पहले हमने शुरू किया फैक्टर निकालना. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. ठीक है, because how to find factors I have already explained it to you in the previous classes. ठीक है, so I have written directly what are the factors of 8. Now move on to the second thing, factors of 12. Now factors of 12, let us write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now I have written the factors of both the numbers. ठीक है, both the numbers factors I have written. Now let's move on to the second step. After factors we will find out the common. जैसे ही हम factor complete कर लेंगे we will do it common. Common word का मतलब होता है बेटा ऐसे numbers जो दोनों ही list में हो. ठीक है, common का मतलब होता है जो दोनों list में हो. Now let us see. 1 is here, 1 is here. 2 is here, 2 is here. 4 is here, 4 is here. It means we can see we have three numbers which is present in here also, which is present here also. So we'll write it down. Common is equal to 1, 2 and 4. ठीक है, I have written here common is 1, 2, 4. Now remember this question ends here only, but we will do it one more step further. What is the next step? HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So remember, after finding out common, we will find out highest also. Can you please tell me which number is highest from 1 to 4? Which number you find larger in this? Tell me. Which number is the highest number in this? Very good. Absolutely right. It is 4. Very correct. It is 4. So 4 is the highest number in this. So it means in this question HCF will be 4 only. ठीक है? So in this question HCF will be 4 only. Yes. Somebody asked me right now, ma'am, if nothing is common, then what is common in that? I will tell you this is a very, very interactive question, a very attractive question. I will tell you this is very important concept. Remember, जिस नंबर में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होगा बेटा, that means वहां पर वन कॉमन है. वन क्यों कॉमन है? Because one is a number which is a universal factor. Universal factor means वन एक ऐसा नंबर है जो सभी का फैक्टर होता है. ठीक है, so यहाँ पर आप याद रखना कि जिसमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होगा उसमें वन जरूर कॉमन होगा, because 1 is a universal factor of every number. देखो यहाँ पर भी मैंने 1 लिखा हुआ है, 1 1. So if nothing will be common, 1 will be definitely common in that. ठीक है, तो जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका 1 होता है, सबका मालिक एक. I have already explained it to you. So remember, use this concept that जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका 1 होता है, and then it means common factor will be 1 in that case. ठीक है, now let us move further. Okay, now students, we are doing the same thing for three numbers. ठीक है, so the question is 15, 30 and 45. We have three numbers. So now what we will do? The same process. First of all, we will find out the factors in all three numbers. Okay? So सबसे पहले I am finding out the factors of 15. Then I'll find out the factors of 30. Then also I'll find out the factors of 45. Okay? So सबसे पहले I am finding out the factors. So 15 के factors will be 1, 3, 5 and 15. I have written the factors now. Now move on to the factors of 30. So factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factors of 30 right now. Now let us move on to the next step, that is factors of 45. So you must be knowing factors of 45 will be 1, 3, 5, 9, then 15 and then 45. So now I have written factors of all three numbers. Okay, all the three numbers I have written the factors right now. So what will be the next step? Next step will be to find out common in it. So I am writing down the heading now, common. So let us see what is common. 1, 1, 1. 1 is common. Then next one is 3, 3, 3. 3 is also common. The next one is 5, 5, 5. याद रखिएगा बेटा, you have to take care of this thing. The number which is common in all three. ऐसा नंबर जो तीनों में कॉमन हो बेटा, हम केवल उसी को फैक्टर मानते हैं. ठीक है? So let us take this. Here 3 is there in all, 5 is there in all and 15 is there in all. So it will be common 1, 3, 5 and 15. So now last step. Now you only tell me which number is greatest here. Which number you find greater here? सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा हुआ इसमें बताइए? Absolutely right. Very good. So here HCF, that is the highest number. Highest number is 15 here. So here HCF will be 15 in case. ठीक है? In this question 15 will be HCF over here. So this we have done it for three numbers. Yes. So students, I gave you a question. That is, you have to do the same process of HCF for these three numbers, 40, 25 and 35. So let's begin this. The first thing you are knowing that you have to find out the factors. So let us find the factors over here. Okay? So here it is factors of 40. It will be 1, 2, 4, 5. 1 will be, 2 will be, 4 will be, 5 will be, then it will be 10. Then it will be 20 and then it will be 40. बेटा remember हम लोगों ने divisibility test इन्हीं चीजों के लिए पढ़े हैं. ठीक है? We have done the divisibility test just because of this only. Sorry for disturbance in the between. Somebody shared the screen. So it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. Sorry, it will be 8 also. Because 8 5s are 40. So it will be 8 also. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 8, 20, 40. I have written all now. Now let's move to the factors of 25. 1, 5 and 25. Now move on to factors of 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. Okay, now I have written the factors of all three numbers. Now move on to the next thing, common. Okay, last thing will be common. Now let us see what is common. 1 is common in all and then 5 is common in all. Now there is no other number which is common except 1 and 5. There are only two numbers which are common, that is 1 and 5. It means the HCF is only 5 because highest number is 5. So here the highest number is 5. So that is why HCF is 5. Okay. So students, now we are on question number 3 of this exercise. Okay. Question number 3 of this exercise says that you have to find common multiples. And हम लोग बेटा इस क्वेश्चन को भी एक स्टेप ज्यादा करेंगे, ठीक है? कॉमन मल्टीपल तक करना है, बट हम लोग लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल तक भी करेंगे, मतलब we will do it LCM also. So we are going to try one more step ahead. Now let's see this. बेटा you people are very smart. ठीक है, तो हम लोग हमेशा एडवांस पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, हमेशा पुराना वाला नहीं. We'll do it always one step ahead. So let's try this. Common multiples is the question which we have got it. So now we are taking it. First question, I am taking the question randomly from my mind. So the question is, you have to find the common multiple of 15 and 30. Okay, the common multiple of 15 and 30. What we are going to do? It is written here multiples. So beta सबसे पहला step, again we will do it backward. Backward मतलब पहले हम निकालेंगे इनके multiples. So multiples of 15, multiples of 30. Now you must be knowing beta they are very larger number. And the second thing is multiples are endless. Multiple बहुत सारे होते हैं करने के लिए. So हम लोग को क्या करना है? We will choose some multiples only. We will not take so many multiples. Now look at here. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and then 90. And then I am putting this dot dot. Why I am putting dot dot? Because multiples are endless. Okay, so this is multiples I have written. Now it is telling multiples of 30. So let us find out the multiples of 30 as well. So 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and so on. ठीक है? Now remember, बेटा आप हमेशा मल्टीपल्स तब तक लिखिए जब तक आपको एटलीस्ट एक कॉमन ना मिल जाए. कम से कम एक कॉमन जरूर मिलना चाहिए बेटा. ऐसा नहीं कि आप मल्टीपल्स लिखो दो तीन ही और आपको कुछ कॉमन भी ना मिले. कम से कम एक कॉमन आपको मिलना चाहिए. एंड उसके बाद आई विल टेल यू वन ट्रिक. ठीक है, आई विल टेल यू वन ट्रिक विच इज वेरी गुड फॉर यू. सो रिमेंबर यू शुड हैव एटलीस्ट वन कॉमन. ठीक है, नाउ सी दिस. What is common in this? You will find we have got 30 common, and also we have got 60 common, and also we have got 90 common. So I am just underlining it and I am writing it here common. What is common here? 30, 60 and 90. Now what do you think? Look at here, see the pattern. What is common multiple? 30, 32 is 60 and 33 is 90. Can you tell me in the list of common multiple what number will be next? सोचो, अगर मैंने इसको और बढ़ाया होता तो और कौन सा नंबर आता यहाँ पे? 30, 60, 90. इसके बाद और कौन सा नंबर आता अगर मैं इस लिस्ट को आगे बढ़ाती तो? दिस इज अ ट्रिक. रिमेंबर, अगर आपको एक नंबर भी कॉमन मिल जाए, अगर आपको एक नंबर भी कॉमन मिल जाए, सपोज 30 बस कॉमन मिल गया, तो याद रखो इस यहाँ पर कॉमन की जगह पे 30 की टेबल लिख दो. दैट विल बी कॉमन ओनली. ठीक है, सो रिमेंबर एटलीस्ट यू शुड नो वन कॉमन हियर. सो दिस इज 30. सो रिमेंबर द नेक्स्ट नंबर विल बी 120 because 34 is a 120. So that will be the next common here. So 30, 60, 90, 120. और उसके बाद कौन आएगा? 150. ठीक है, so now we have written it sufficient. Now it is telling we have to find out LCM. LCM का मतलब होता है बेटा lowest. So सबसे पहले इसमें से देखिए सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा हुआ? The smallest one. Absolutely correct. The common lowest one is 30. सबसे छोटा number is 30. सबसे least number is 30. सबसे lowest number is 30. So remember, in this question, LCM is 30. Okay? LCM is 30. So students, we have completed till here common multiples. Now suppose you get a number, for example, because the question number 3 says you have to find 3 common multiples. Huh? Your question is telling that you have to find out 3 common multiple. And suppose the question come like 12 and 18. Suppose the question comes like 12 and 18. अगर आपका ये question आ गया, because like question number 3 I am talking about. So what you are doing is first write down the multiple of 12, and also you will write down the multiple of 18. ठीक है? So first of all we'll find out the multiple of both the numbers. So it will be 12, 24, 36, then you will have 48, then you will have 60. So I'm not writing further because multiples are endless, so I will not write it down more about it. I'll just write it down till here. Now move on to the multiple of 18. So it will be 18 to the 36, then 72, then 90, and then so on. Okay, so I'm not writing it further over here. I'm just writing it down till here. As I have already told बेटा कि हमेशा याद रखो कि मल्टीपल तब तक लिखो जब तक आपको एटलीस्ट एक कॉमन मिले. ठीक है, जैसे अगर आपको एक कॉमन मल्टीपल मिल जाता है आप उस प्रोसेस को वहीं स्टॉप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, बिकॉज उसके बाद यू विल यूज योर ओन ट्रिक विच इज टोल्ड बाय मी. So like you can see that we have got one common. हमको एक नंबर कॉमन मिल चुका है. So अगर हम चाहें तो अब इस प्रोसेस को यहीं पे खत्म कर सकते हैं. Now let's see common here. अब बेटा क्वेश्चन में तो ये पूछा गया है कि we have to find out 3 common multiples, but हमको मिला केवल एक, तो हम लिखेंगे केवल 36 here, and now we want 2 more. So remember here you will write down 36 and the second common multiple will be 36 into 2. That will be 72. So 72. Table of 36 you will follow. So I have written now next common multiple is 72, and then you have to write down third common multiple also. So third common multiple will be 36 into 3. So that will be 108. So the third common multiple will be here 108. So इसके अगर आगे भी आप लिखना चाहते हो you will get many multiples because multiples are endless. So remember, if you get only one common multiple, then too you can stop the process, and after that you can apply the trick easily. So after doing this, if somebody is asking from you that what is LCM over here, so LCM is only 36 by using this method, because LCM means the least number. So the least number is 36 in this question. So we'll write it down till here. Okay. Now move on to the next step. Now the next question is telling here, question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiple of 3 and 4. The same process. Okay, the common multiple of 3 and 4. So the same way we will do it. How we will do that? Look at here. Question number 4, we want common multiple of 3 and 4. So first of all, we'll find out the multiple of 3. We will find out multiple of 4. I'm not writing down the begin line. We have to just find out common multiple. So I'm writing out here common multiples of 3 and 4 we have to find out. So let us write 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and further. So I'm not writing completely. Now 4. 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 24, so on. I'm not writing out further because multiples are endless. So now move on to what is common over here. So the common one is 12. We have got one here. Then I am not supposed to find out the second one here. I'll use my trick to find out the next one. So here common is 12, and now you are knowing the trick. You can write it down the common multiple of like these two numbers by increasing the table of 12. Okay, so now let's see 12, 24, 36, 48, then 60, then 72, then 84, then 96, after that 108, and then 120. Now see, the question is telling that you want the multiples less than 100. देखो हमने तो यहाँ तक लिख दिया पूरा 120 तक, बट आप याद रखिए कि क्वेश्चन में आपको बोल रहा है केवल 100 से कम चाहिए. So we have written so many common multiples without writing the full table of multiples here. So remember, it is very easy to at least get the one common multiple, and uske baad we will increase the process how much we want. Okay, so now we want till less than 100 only, so we can just remove these two and we will have this answer of this particular question, that is question number 4. Okay, so I hope you all have understood till here. Please complete this thing in your fair copy.